Welcome to online classes. I will explain from page number 23. Before explanation, in this recording, I will refer some sentences as a continuation and reference. Vanguard Fort, of course, tops every list of spook spots in India. Many call it India's only officially sanctioned haunted site because of an ASI board at the entrance. ASI already told Archaeological Survey of India, which forbids visitors from entering it before sunrise and sunset. After sunset, located on the outskirts of Sharika Tiger Reserve near Alwar in Rajasthan, the 16th century fort is picturesquely spooky. Straight out of horror movie is generally the first reaction of the most visitors. After that, I will explain from the book. But that's probably because makers of Bollywood horror films as superstitious to its almost of ruin and depletion have chosen the shoot on location inside the Bhangar. The visitor visit Bhangar Fort and they realize that the big place which is observing as the horror movie scene, that's possible because of making Bollywood horror films, as because its environment of range and the destruction have selected the shoot on the location inside the Bhangar Fort. Explanation 2. The visitors visit the Bhangar Fort and while they visit first time they react as the horror movie scene. That's possible. Perhaps the makers of Bollywood horror movie the acted fact in that the location is very sensitive due to the background and its crash and disintegration have confirmed the spot to shoot the horror movie on the location inside the Bhangar Fort. Explanation 3. When the visitors enter the Bhangar Fort, at first they feel that they are in the location of horror movie spot because the movie makers of Bollywood horror movie as admitting his condition of rage and ruination, which have sufficient reasons to shoot on the location inside of the Bhangar Fort. Now from the book. For instance, the 1995 reincarnation revenge drama Karan Arjun was shot inside Bhangar. For example, the 1995 rebirth revenge drama Karan Arjun was shot inside the Bhangar Fort. Explanation 2. For occurrence, the Samsara drama Karan Arjun in the year 1995 was shot inside the Bhangar Fort. For illustration, the representation grievances drama Karan Arjun was shot in the year 1995 inside the Bhangar Fort. Now from the book. This year alone, 2 films have ever been made on the place. Trip to Bhangar, in which 5 young men decide to brave the fort's reputation, and Bhangar, which will be released later this year. Now, explanation. 1. In the year 2014, 2 films have been made inside Bhangar Fort. Trip to Bhangar, in a 2014 Bollywood horror thriller film starting sorry, the 2014 Bollywood horror thriller film starring Manish Chaudhary and Sujana Mukherjee in the lead roles. It is directed by Jitendra Pawar. This film, in which five young men resolve to daredevil about the fourth position in the film, which was released later this year 2014. Explanation 2. This year 2014, two films have been picturized in the Bhangar Fort. The one picture was Trip to Bhangar, which is a horror film, leading role by Manish Chaudhary and Sujana Mukherjee, the five persons determined to courageous about the prestige of the fourth position in this film. This year 2014, two films have been screenplayed in the Bhavnagar Fort. The one picture, which is a thriller film, leading role by Manish Chaudhary and Sujana Mukherjee in the film Trip to Bhangar. These five youngs choose to show daring about the fort's renown in this film. Now from the book. Most people who visit Bhangar report feeling uneasy or a negative energy. Many reports hearing noises of an intoxicating smell there. Explanation 1. Most people who visit Bhangar, they feel anxious or a contradictory energy. Many reports hearing noises or an alcoholic odor there. Explanation 2. Most of the people who visit Bhangar, they realize the fort is nervous or a opposing energy spot. Many report express the noises or spirituous howl there. Explanation 3. Most of the people who visit Bhangar Fort, they feel worried or rejecting energy, and many report confirm that there is noises and vinous melodious there. Now from book. There have been some eerie occurrences as well, such as when Ulka Gupta, the actress of TV show Jhansi Ki Rani, went missing during a shoot at Bhangar and was later found in Tantrik's den. Now explanation 1. There have been some unnatural events as well, such as when TV star Ulka Gupta, the actress of TV show Jhansi Ki Rani, went misplaced during shooting hours at Bhangar Fort and was found later in the Tantrik's den. Explanation 2. There have been some abnormal affairs found when Ulka Gupta, the actress of the TV show Jhansi Ki Rani, was missing during the shooting time. Later, she was found in the den of one supernatural agent, so-called, you can say, Tantric. Explanation 3. There have been some sinister circumstances observed when Ulka Gupta was there for TV show Jhansi Ki Rani. The actress of the TV show was misled during the shooting, but she found later in a den of a magician. That is the history of Bhangar. Different events were there. That is the end of today's explanation.